114K. Yeah, not the entrance you guys have is a little bit smoother, I think. Yeah, I think it's just the difference with Nina and Nadia in it. The ones look really good. It looks like Nina's kind of just going for the straight over the top. I don't know if you guys, you can see on the build, it looks like the front pair is slightly ahead of the back pair, which during the session ends up having the front pair consistently ahead of the back pair. Now, it doesn't matter if there's that tiny little bit of vertical happening. We want it to, yeah, the plan we've been working on with the ones up to now is initially it was the front pair just following the back pair, and then slowly but surely, if you remember, what I've been trying to ask Nadia to do is just to lift slightly and then just keep the rotation happening. But I wanted to learn the move first. And you guys have learnt the move, and this is a great time for you guys to see that that's well possible, just to keep the rotation going for the person in outside center. There's a couple that are actually over anticipated from the front, which don't help, and those are the ones that kind of Otto rotates in and keeps going, and then we have like an excess of timing from the front pair, like a little bit ahead of the game. But kind of together's fine. But I really like the way the piece is, the dynamics of the piece. So the cat starts on this side. We see the 21 picture here, perfectly in line. And then the cats are again here. That is excellent. That means that the dynamics of the piece is good. And then it doesn't matter if there is the timing is the same. And all we would do is ask outside center just to lift the legs up slightly to mix. And we wouldn't want anyone else really helping with that vertical. It's kind of important that we don't get a big difference for the catch that's about to come between Otto and Yora. Yeah, the only thing I don't like is when the front pair gets way ahead of the, because of the build shape as well, of the back pair. So now the back pair are scrabbling to try and keep up, and we end up with an asynchronous catch. Okay, 14s look pretty good with regards to the timing. Yep, nice, Matthew and Otto. Waiting for your non-piece partners. See what I mean about that shape? So I think that shape forces the back pair into like a struggling to stay with the pace. So let's just be a little more aware of the shape. And Yori, you could help here by just staying off the grips a bit longer, because I think what's happening is as soon as Otto feels your grips, he's like, well, he's got to be ready. Obviously, Otto, you got to see K to 1. It's the longest grips of these grips here between Yora and Matthew. And Yora, you can communicate that to Otto by staying off the grips. But if he's over-rotating into the center, I can see why you wanted to stop him from doing that. So I understand why this is happening. Just think it makes for an asynchronous start to the block, which then leaves the back pair struggling a little bit to make the catch. Good 14. Like on this one, you guys move together. That's nice. You see how Yora is staying off Otto's grips until he's finished the turn. That's a really nice shape. It's a synchronous start, or just slightly ahead from the front, but the back pair has now learned just to keep moving as well with it. Good job.